Hello everyone, welcome back to Everything Bookish. The book tag that I'll be doing is called the Name Game Book Tag. It has been created by the user Kimberly Book Nook, and I'll link her channel and the video that she did in the description box down below. The letters that constitute my name are J, A, S, M, I, N, and E. So it's 7 letters. So I'll pick up 7 books from my bookshelf, and they have to have the first letter corresponding to the letter of my name. For example, as the first letter is J in my name, so I'll have to pick up a book which starts with the letter J, and so on and so forth. So let's get started. First book up here is Just Friends by Sumrit Shahi, and I absolutely hated the book. I mean, I read about 15 to 20 pages of the book when I got it. There's a fun story behind why I got the book. It was because I read that Sumrit Shahi is quite young in age and has his first book out already. So I was like, young authors, it's good to have young brigade out there. So let's just try. But I'm sorry, Sumrit, I don't know what kind of books you've written after writing Just Friends, but I did not like whatever I read about it. And so I don't know if I'll be even trying to read it anytime soon again. But for now, this is in my not reading books shelf. The second book up here is After All This Time by Nikita Singh. It is such a good book. You know what I feel is that Nikita, because I have been reading her books quite a lot since, like, I guess I've read 5 of her books. I don't exactly know the number, but yeah, I've read quite a lot of her books. One thing I feel is that she can write wonderfully when she is not co-authoring with someone. So like she's partnered with some good authors, but the kind of creativity she gets out of her when she's writing alone does not match up to what she does when she's co-authoring with someone else. And this book, uh, After All This Time, was such a good book. I loved it, and I guess I probably gave it a 4.5 stars on the good reading scale. For the letter S, I have picked up Sold Out by Tahira Kashyap. She is Ayushmann Khurrana and a Bollywood actor's wife. She's also a very, very, very good writer, and this book constitutes of a lot of short stories. And when I read a collection of short stories, 99% of the time what happens is that I end up liking just a few of those short stories. But it's, I guess, for the first time that I enjoyed each and every short story that was in this book, and it's one of my favorite reads of the last year. For the letter M, I chose this gorgeous, gorgeous book, Mirror City by Chitrita Banerjee. I always mess up her first name. I was about to call her Chitrashi. I don't know why that name is stuck with me. But yeah, her name is Chitrita Banerjee. So I love the colors on this cover, and I love the way the text has been written over here as well. I haven't actually read the book as of now, but I plan on doing it after I finish the book that I'm currently reading, which is The Perks of Being a Wallflower. When I was collecting the books for this book tag, I was trying to find out a proper book for the letter I, because I have quite a few books which have which have a starting of their title with the letter I, but deep down I just knew that it happens for a reason. It is the most favorite book of the last year, and I will recommend this book for every one of you to read, especially those who want to venture out into Indian authors. And yeah, no doubt Nikita Singh also is a great writer, but I can vouch for it. Preeti Shinoy has the best writing skills. She can make you fall in love with any character she writes about. She can I can go on and on about this book, but I really want you to read it, and then we can both, I mean, you and I can discuss the whatever is happening in the book. For the letter N, I picked up Never Let Me Go by Sachin Garg. This book too I haven't read as of yet. I'm sorry, because I remember buying it years ago, like probably 3 years ago. So it's quite a lot of time, and but I just know that this book is going to be amazing. Let's see, I probably want to finish it up in this year only, because why not? I know I have a lot of books with me that are unread. I don't know why. I sadly don't own a lot of books that start with the letter E, but I found Eternal Bonds by Manoj Singh, and this too, as a lot of other books in my collection, hasn't been read as of yet, and I don't know if I'll be reading it anytime soon, because every time I picked it up, I found myself getting bored very easily. So I don't know when I'll be in the zone of reading such a book, but this was a book that I picked up by reading its synopsis on the back, so I'm sure I'll enjoy it whenever I read it. Please let me know if you want me to review any of the books that I mentioned in this video, and I will happily do it for you. Also, do let me know what other videos would you like to see in the future on this channel, and I will happily do it for you all guys. So that's all I have for this video. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you liked what you saw in this video and would like to watch my other videos as well. All my social media accounts, my Facebook, Twitter, Goodreads, Instagram and Snapchat, all of them will be linked down below, so make sure to follow me on all of them to be in the loop of when I'll be posting my new video or whatever I am reading at the moment. I hope you liked my video, and I hope you enjoyed what I had in what books I picked up for this tag. Make sure to comment down below and telling me if you would like a review on any of the books, or have you read any of the books that I mentioned in this tag, or any other book you would like to suggest me corresponding to the letters of my name. So for example, what other books should I read that has the title has J as the first letter in its name. Make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.